Hey, this is the second video in the energy frequency therapy series, and I want to talk about what we have actually found through scientific research and places in allopathic medicine where frequency therapy is already being applied. So first of all, to date, sound healing or energy healing or frequency therapy, whatever you want to call it, has been used in the following clinical applications. First, it's been used for stroke recovery and scientifically proven to increase motor function and speech. Second, it's used in hospitals. My sister worked in the oncology ward of a hospital where they were using sound therapy for oncology patients. And while not all of the doctors believed in it, a lot of the patients did and had very positive results from it. And so as a nurse, my sister was really turned on to what is this doing? Why does this have this effect on them? Whether it's mood improvement, and we're going to get to cancer in just a second. But hospitals have been using sound therapy, in particular music therapy, because of the vibrational frequencies. It allows them to reduce anxiety, promote morale amongst both patients and staff, and reduce high stress that is often felt when in a hospital setting. You know, you get admitted to the hospital, most people are pretty stressed about what's going to happen next, and they have found that sound and frequency therapy can help alleviate some of that stress, tension, and anxiety. The third place that we are presently using frequency therapy is in acupuncture. And acupuncturists for hundreds of years have applied sound therapy, light therapy, and tuning forks with vibrational frequencies to enhance the efficacy of acupuncture. Next is oncology, cancer. And there have been scientific studies. I actually have a 75-page report talking about how frequency therapy has been shown to both attack and destroy cancer cells without the need for surgery. Another place that sound therapy and frequency therapy is being used practically is with those on the autism spectrum, because those on the autism spectrum, whether it's autism, Asperger's, ADD, ADHD, often have sensory issues, and this is considered a sensory therapy option to help them control the mind, to help them control neural responses, to help with agitation, anger, behavioral disorders, etc. Brainwave entrainment. Brainwave entrainment reduces cognitive issues, eliminates headaches and migraines. It's been used to reverse PMS symptoms and reverse chronic pain or treat chronic pain. Another place clinically that we are using frequency therapy is in altering cortisol levels. So those with adrenal fatigue, adrenal support problems, hormonal issues. Frequency therapy has been shown to calm anger, aggression, frustration, and stress. In neurological issues, it has been shown to improve neurogenesis. This means that frequency therapy can be used both in utero with unborn children and with our elderly who are suffering from dementia and Alzheimer's to improve neural health and memory. The ninth example of the use of frequency therapy in clinical situations right now is in physical rehabilitation. So combining physical therapy with electromagnetic frequency therapy, things like pulse EMF, even with Reiki, has been shown to improve the results of recovery over just using physical therapy alone. The last example I'm going to use is in decreased pain perception. And this is what I was talking about back in the other video when I mentioned chronic pain management is usually medication, right? Narcotics. And those narcotics don't actually stop the pain. They stop the perception of pain at the brain. And this is a place where lots of science has gone into showing that frequency therapy has the same effect on perception of pain that these narcotics do without any of the side effects. This has become a non-medicated alternative to chronic pain management. And yet we've barely scratched the surface of the places that we can apply this and how effective it can actually be. We're presently incorporating frequency therapy into our practice in terms of stress reduction, pain reduction, spiritual development, promoting healthy relationships, emotional catharsis and trauma recovery, improvements in sleep, spiritual awareness and self-awareness, as well as the alleviation of chronic pain, chronic headaches, and hormonal issues. And so the next video, I'm actually going to break down the ways and some of the devices that we're using to do this. I hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.